Hi kids, it's your Priyanka ma'am, and in this video I am going to explain the textbook exercise of lesson number 16, Games We Play. Let's understand the textbook exercise on page number 108 and 109. Let's start our textbook exercise. Let's read the first question. Do you know the name of any famous sports person in your area? That means, do we know any sports person in Jamnagar area? If yes, write her or his name and the game with which she or he is associated. Associated का मतलब होता है कि उस गेम का नाम लिखना है कि जिसको वो खेलता है, जिसके साथ वो एसोसिएट है, यानी कि जो गेम में वो माहिर है उसका नाम हमें लिखना है. तो ऐसा कोई स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन आप लोग जानते हो जामनगर में कि जो फेमस है? लेट मी टेल यू. दिस इज द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन इन जामनगर हु इज फेमस फॉर हिज cricket skills. He is Ravindra Jadeja. He lives in Jamnagar. He is basically from Jamnagar only. He is known as Sir Ravindra Jadeja because he is a all-rounder. He is a very good batsman as well as he is a very nice bowler, and he plays in our Indian cricket team with Virat Kohli and Dhoni, etc. So, he is basically from our city, Jamnagar. It is a proud for us. So, he is Ravindra Jadeja. And he is associated with Indian cricket. So, here we will write his name. Sir Ravindra Jadeja. And here we will also write he is associated with Indian cricket. Next question. How many games do you know which we play with a ball? Write their names in the ball. This is a ball and we have to write the names of the games which we play with a ball. Just now I have told about one ball game, that is cricket. So here we will write cricket. Then football. We all know, we all love to play football. Then volleyball. It is a game which is played by our hands and a net is there in between two teams. Then table tennis. Then basketball. We have to goal by throw the ball in the basket. Then another game is there. It is hockey. So there are so many games which we play with a ball. Now let's read the next question. Have you heard of Sania Mirza? आपने सानिया मिर्जा के बारे में सुना है? She also plays a ball game. Find out which one and write its name. सानिया मिर्जा कौन सी बॉल गेम खेलती है? हमें वो फाइंड आउट करना है. She is Sania Mirza and she is a famous Indian player of tennis. You can see the picture. The Sania Mirza is playing tennis. Tennis is a game which is played by a tennis ball and a racket. Special kind of rackets are there to play tennis. She has won so many medals and so many cups for India by winning herself in tennis. So Sania Mirza is a famous tennis player. Look at the picture carefully. So here we will write, yes, I heard of Sania Mirza. She is a famous Indian player of tennis. Do you know why I have written I capital here? Because India and Indian is a proper noun. And Sania Mirza is also a proper noun. That's why I have made the letters capital here. Now next question. Which game do you like the most? आपको सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सी गेम पसंद है? Write the name of any 3 games which you like the most. Here. Next, find out from the elders in your family or in the neighborhood which games did they play when they were children. यानी कि आपको ऐसी गेम के नाम ढूंढने हैं अपने एल्डर्स के पास जाके जो वो लोग चाइल्डहुड में खेलते थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव टॉक्ड टू माई ग्रैंडमदर. शी टोल्ड मी दैट व्हेन शी was a child, she used to play gilli danda. Like this way, you need to write the name of the games by your own. It is not compulsory that you write the name of the games which was mentioned in the chapter. You can write the names of the games by your choice or by asking your elder which game they used to play. Now, next exercise. Match the riddles with the pictures. Write the name of the game in the given space. We have to solve these riddles. Let's read the first riddle. Small and colored are these glass balls. Glass balls यानी कांच की छोटी छोटी balls. To win the game, you have to aim with them all. Aim यानी कि टारगेट करना. आपको एक बॉल से दूसरी बॉल को मारना है जीतने के लिए. तो ये कौन सी गेम है? Which game is this? This game is marbles. These are the small and colored glass balls. And to play this game, you have to aim the marbles put in the circle, and you have to aim these marbles with your fingers by using any one marble. So you will be the winner. So answer will be marbles. Here we will write marbles. Second, it has no wings, but it can fly high, high up in the sky. इसके पास पंख नहीं है. It has no wings, but it can fly in the sky. Yes, you all have guessed it correctly. Kite. So this game is flying kite. Next, king, queen, ace and jack. 52 of them make a pack. King, queen, ace and jack. King यानी राजा, queen यानी रानी, ace यानी एक्का, and jack यानी गुलाम. This is king, this is queen, this is ace, and this is jack. Which game is this? And in this game, there are 52 cards. So which game is this? Yes, this game is a card game in which 52 cards are there in total. There are 4 groups of different cards. Each group is having 13 cards. So 13 fours are 52. So there are 52 cards in one kit. So here we will write cards. 4s and 6s if you can get. A century is sure, I can bet. I can bet यानी शरत लगाना. Bet मतलब शर्त लगाना. Century. We have learned in maths. 1 century is equal to, a century is equal to 100 runs. Let's recall the maths also along with the signs. 4 and 6s if you can get. अगर 4 और 6s यानी चौके और छक्के, तो किस में होते हैं चौके और छक्के? Let's guess the game. Yes, this game is cricket. In cricket, we hit 4s and 6s by using bat. So, here we will write cricket. Next, if you land on a snake, do not frown. Frown यानी sad हो जाना. In this game, you go up and down. Which game is this? My dear children, let's guess the game. Yes, this game is snake and ladder. In this game, you go up and down if you put your leg on the snake. So this game is snake and ladder. Let's write it. So here we will write snake and ladder. Next, on the board are squares black and white. There is the king, the queen and the knight. Now, which game is this in which black and white board is there, square board is there? This game is chess. A chess is an indoor game which is played by 2 players and in which black and white colored chessmen are there. These are called chessmen. CHEES, chess, MEN, men. Chessmen. These are called chessmen and this black and white color board is called a chess board. So here we will write chess. Okay, dear children, I hope you all are clear with this exercise. Please complete the exercise with good handwriting. Bye. Thank you for your attention.